3 سلطنتوں کی داستان سے 10 منتخب اقتباسات۔
1. The empire, long divided, must unite, long united, must divide. Thus it has ever been. 2. Don't doubt one you employed, do not employ anyone you can't trust. 3. I would rather betray others than have the others betray me. 4. Shu has generals who can lose their heads, but none who is capable of surrendering to her enemies. 5. A loyal man does not serve two lords. 6. A man plans. The heaven decides the outcome. 7. One can get another baby, but it's difficult to get a great general. 8. I can fail the trust of my parents, but I can't give up the body they've given me. 9. 100 days to march. 100 days to conquer. 100 days to march back. 10. There are 5 principles of war. Fight if you can fight. Defend if you can't fight. Flee if you can't defend. The remaining 2 options are either to surrender or to die. You haven't surrendered yet, which means you must seek death.
اگر آپ کو یہ ویڈیو پسند آئی ہو تو ویڈیو کو لائک اور ہمارے چینل کو سبسکرائب ضرور کیجیے گا۔ اس عنایت پر ہم آپ کے بے حد ممنون ہوں گے۔